10-4. Highway 70, coming up on SFC 445 out of Arkansas, Adam, Robert Adam, 49 out of ARA 49 hours, still rolling. D10-4, just be advised, we're still rolling. Coming into Ford City. D10-4, 1037. TBI, TBI. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Hands out! Hands out! Don't you move! Put your hand in the small of your back. Why don't you stop? Why don't you stop? You don't have a license, so you didn't stop? Get up. Get up.
Call my mama for me. 870-271-3121.
D10-4, so you start me in small 1011?
Yeah. 271-3121.
I'm out here on Highway 70 by Country Tire Shop. Go back over there. Go back over there.
You said
on the east side of Fort City, going towards Madison.
Yeah, 10-4.
try 442549518. That's my brother's number.
That was dumb this morning.
254.
You got paid.
So it sounded like maybe where they got the U-Hauls.
9518.
Yeah, 10-4 it is.
It's still not ready. Let me call her again.
I'm not even worried about who you call it, because you're going to jail for felony fleeing today. Over a driver's license. A freaking driver's license.
Man, what you got behind me for no reason though?
I can get behind you no reason. If I pull you over, it's for a reason.
What was the reason?
One, you got the illegal tail light or the illegal license plate cover. For you to just stop, you probably would have just got a damn ticket. But you want to run.
Yeah, man, I got nerves. I ain't gonna lie.
Well, now you're going to jail with felony.
615, you still.
470, trying to clear the net.
Yeah, 10-4.
Hey, if she don't answer, can you please go by the house and let her know what's going on?